I now wanted to make just 30 seconds video with your phone, and you discovered that after making that video, the file size of that video was too big. I'm wondering what you can do to this video file size to be reduced. Don't worry, in this video I want to show you how you can properly optimize your video file size. So follow me. Hello and welcome to VAG Studio. So without wasting much of our time, we'll head up to our Chrome while I show you the tools which you can use to optimize your video file size. So head up to your Chrome. You can actually do this with your smartphone. Once you have an internet connection, you can also do this with your smartphone also. So head up to your Chrome and type www.videocandy.com. So this is the first website we are going to tour around. So hit on enter. Let's go to this videocandy.com. Alright, we are in videocandy.com. So for you to compress your video file size to a smaller file size, you head up to this compress video, and this site has a lot of features where you can mesh video, you can crop your video, you can resize your video, you can trim your video, you can change your video speed here, you can mute your audio, you can make use of this slideshow maker, you can reverse your video here with this video candy. It's a powerful tool, and the good thing about this website is it is free. You don't have to pay anything. So we are talking about how to optimize your video file size. So you head up to this compress video, hit on compress video, wait for it to load. So this is a video compressor environment. Once you've recorded your video, come to this website and then you add your file. Click here to add your file, and then it will reduce the file size for you, and the quality of the video will still remain the same. There is nothing that will change. This video candy is very good. I recommend you to sign up with this website, and then you start using it. It is free. So the second website we are going to look at is reduce your video file size, or also recording your video and you discover the file size is too big. Also come to this website and compress the file size. The video quality will still remain the same. There is nothing that is going to change about this video. So the next website on our list is freeconvert.com. You can go to your Google, type in freeconvert.com, and then it will bring you to this environment. This also have a lot of features. Also you can convert your image, convert your video. So we want to compress our video file size. So in this website, what you do, come to this side, you see choose file. So you click on this choose file, it will direct you to wherever you've saved your video, so you can upload. So once you bring up your video here, it will upload it by itself, and then it will convert and reduce the file size by itself. So this website is also a great website also for you to try. And then one thing about this website is it reduces your video by 44%. Yes, it reduces your video by 44%. Take example, maybe you have 100 MB of video you've recorded, and this website will be reducing your video size by 44%. So what will be the MB that you'll be getting from this website? So this is up to you. You can try that and then leave it in the comments. As I show you this. So don't forget to leave a like on this video and let me know your thoughts concerning the video down in the comment section. Don't forget to share also. Peace.